for more stuff.
How
Oh my
about
gosh.
we party here?
Sure. I'll do my video. in here. I'm falling. I'm gonna fall.
Is it paused?
No, it's not paused.
Okay.
And this is the reason why we keep on falling. You mister.
Hey, unzoom it if you have a zoom.
The poor thing.
You just rolled my flipping card. Look what he did.
I'm gonna try to survive this.
Okay, so have it always on.
Dude, move!
Have it always on not pause, because if you do, what if something funny happens and we don't have it recorded?
Yeah, that would be bad.
So okay. So most of
Ow, there's Legos.
I told ya.
I have got to live in this place. This is Anna's house. Well, this is like their storage room.
Cameron.
Ow, the Legos, they hurt. Oh! Okay. Oh!
I am the king of
Lord,
the
just
world.
protect me, Lord. Just protect. Ah! Okay, I need to put my camera down. I need to put my
That's not
camera.
very strong. I am the king of the book. Yeah. Look at Bo.
He's like, yes.
I am the king
Oh my
of
gosh,
the
he just did it.
book.
He just did his fart bomb.
Oh, my fart bomb.
Oh yeah, he fart bomb. Oh.
Oh, this is horrible. Help me. Wait. No, Cameron, look what you did.
No. Oh, it's still recording.
Oh, it stinks so bad.
Hello.
Look what he's
Oh no, he's moving the table.
He's on a chair.
The dog doesn't fit in here. Oh gosh. I'm going to try to make it through without dying. Why is there a fan in here?
This world is filled with mysteries.
And there's trash bags.
Wait, look, it filmed Bo's butt.
And there's a dog butt. And he's just storing. He's like totally laying in the
Oh my
couch.
God, get off that teddy bear right now. Oh, please pause this. Get off.
No, I'm not.
Get off.
Okay, paused it. Okay, fine, I paused it.
I'm watching you. Get off. Hey, stop. I know you're recording. Hey, stop recording. He's actually biting right now. That's
Booty,
bad.
booty, booty, okay,
Stop. He's
Pause.
Yeah. Hey, I see. Get out. Stop recording, Cameron.
Fine!
Uh-oh.
I've got to record this.
Oh my God, you're chewing on that animal. Yeah.
Torture machine.
Okay, can you stop filming and help me? Please, I know you're filming my butt. Cameron, this is serious. He's chewing up all the stuff in here.
Oh, okay, be back, guys. Help me! You dog! I hate you!
No, he's biting everything again.
Oh, no, please don't do this. Please don't do this. Please, please, please. I beg you. I beg you. I beg you.
Get over there, Cameron. Get ow! Get over there right now. This is serious. He bit my leg.
Oh!
No, get up at the top.
Bud, you know you're famous right now. Okay, I gotta get up in the top. How am I supposed to do this?
Get up in the box already. Yeah. Okay. He just chewed.
Back. Dun dun dun.
Okay, Cameron, we have to do this because the woman doesn't know how to.
Speak louder if you want them to hear.
This woman doesn't even know how to.
Shut up. Okay, we're trying to find something.
Get down. Oh, it's coming.
Ah, the dog!
The dog.
Okay, let's get him out. Let's get the dog out. Come on. Oh, this is going to take forever to upload, but this is really funny. We have to do this quiet. Hey, Anna.
What?
Let the YouTuber with 4 subscribers handle this. Get out.
No.
Oh gosh, the dog is going to bite my head off. Okay. Gotta get my charger. Bye. The dog's gonna and he comes back for a shoot.
Bo. Bring him in.
Hold my charger. I want to do something. Bo, listen to me. You're No, stop it. Bo, listen to me. Bam!
Come on.
Do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can. Do it.
Come on.
The dog.
The dog. It's nobody. The dog is
Okay. Welcome to my life. To LOL. The dog is gone. We don't know where he is. Welcome to my life. I'm sorry if you can't see me. That would be embarrassing. I'll be back. Ow! If only I had some shoes, I would be fine right now. I'm recording right now. Well, I try to go save the day with my feet hurting.
No, we're not allowed to go save the day because my dad told us to stay inside.
Well, I try to go walk over there and help you, and then you have to go back inside! And my charger just fell. Guys, the dog is gone. The dog is gone. It could get ready. We've got to have faith, and if you lose a like button, then we might be able to find him. So do it!
So we're gonna stop the video. Bye.
No, I will not stop the video. I'm not. The dog is gone, and I'm not able to see what else is going to happen, because I have to go home. Goodbye.